Cresta is a 4-bedroom detached bungalow situated in the famous village of Bolventor, which is where Jamaica Inn is, and it's conveniently close to the A30 and all the other transport links. Buses stop here. It's well presented. It's got separate dining room, kitchen and living room with a wood burning stove, and lovely garden which is enclosed, which you see behind me here. Nice big shed and a playhouse for the kids. Family bungalow. Take a look at this video and then book a viewing.